Welcome back to Deutsch Tech YouTube. Today we've got an M135 in, which has an N55 engine, and we're going to be fitting an MMR baffle plate, ACL race bearings and ARP Rod Bolts, along with a gasket and oil filter. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll show you the progress along the way. Right then, so what we've done already so far is I've had the actual oil pickup down, the oil pump out, and I've replaced all the rod bearings with ACL race bearings and all the bolts with ARP bolts as well. Now I'm going to fit the MMR baffle plate itself and then refit with the new gasket inside.
Hi guys, so now we're on the performance side. Fabian's done his bit with the baffled sump and the rod bearings. So now it's over here for a res delete. Now it's pretty simple. This little little resonation deletion device here. We're going to cut it out, straight pipe it, same diameter pipe, weld it in, and that'll be done. Unlike on the sort of the 140s, 240s, etc., they have a longer sort of res here, same sort of diameter, and then they'll have another one up here. Obviously, this being a 135, it only has the single one, so it's very easier to get the noise out of it. So yeah, I'm going to cut it out, weld it up, and then we'll see what it sounds like. Right guys, that's the res delete done. Obviously it's back on the floor now. If everyone's ever wondered what the inside of a res looks like, it's literally a straight piece of pipe with lots of holes, and then the noise is all absorbed by baffling, wadding, whatever you want to call it. So that's pretty much how you kill the res, and then obviously get more noise when you cut it out. So should we see what it sounds like? I think we should. Right guys, that's the BMW M135i done. Baffled sump, rod bearings and a res delete. So remember to like, subscribe, see you in the next one.